Hello students, myself Shipra Agrawal here and today we are going to talk about class 8th general knowledge chapter number 11 and 12. स्टूडेंट्स जो आपकी डेट्स दे रखी हैं आगे उसे आपको लर्न करना है. एक्सप्लेनेशन में आपको लाइव क्लासेस में आई डू. चलिए सबसे पहले आ जाइए फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स पे. नंबर ए, the longest running Indian movie in the 1995 film Dash, which crossed 1000 week at Mumbai's Maratha Mandir Theatre in December 2014. Right answer is Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. The first Indian to win an Academy Award was Dash for the best costume design in Richard Attenborough's Gandhi, 1982. Right answer is Bhanu Aditya. Next, the story of two criminals, Viru and Jay, who are hired by a retired police officer are captured to capture a racket. The movie Dash is considered one of the best Indian film for its action sequences, cinematography and performances. Right answer is Sholay. One of the greatest filmmakers of the 20th century, Dash is the only Indian to receive an Academy Award for Lifetime Achievement. Right answer is Satyajit Ray. Next, starring Vivian Leigh and Clark Gable's Dash was an epic film set in the backdrop of the American Civil War. Right answer is Gone with the Wind. बेटा ये कुछ मूवीज़ के बारे में है कि कौन सी मूवी कब बनी थी, किसने किया था और क्या उनकी स्टोरीज थी. तो दैट वी हैव फिल्ड नाउ. नेक्स्ट आ जाइए नीचे. पिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन और ऑप्शंस. नंबर फर्स्ट, नेम द ब्रिटिश एक्टर एंड फिल्म मेकर हु बिकेम एन आइकॉन ऑफ द साइलेंट फिल्म एरा थ्रू हिज ऑन स्क्रीन कैरेक्टर्स द ट्रैम्प. अब द ट्रैम्प नाम का एक कैरेक्टर है, ब्रिटिश एक्टर के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है कौन थे. राइट आंसर इज चार्ली चैपलिन. नेक्स्ट, विद एन innovative cinematography and narrative structure that continue to influence filmmakers today, this 1941 film by Orson Welles is considered by many to be the greatest film ever made. Name this film. एक फिल्म के बारे में पूछा गया है. Right answer is Citizen Kane. Next, Alfred Hitchcock is known as the master of suspense for his movie with thrilling plots, murder, suspense and crime. Which of these are Hitchcock movies? We need to name the movies which was created by Hitchcock. Right answer is Psycho and Vertigo. Next, phone number. Which of these are filmed by Japanese director Akira Kurosawa, considered one of the most influential filmmaker in the history of cinema? We need to name the films which was directed by Akira Kurosawa. Right answer is Rashomon, Ichiro and Seven Samurai. Next, fifth number. With a screenplay co-written by Arthur C. Clarke, this 1968 classical sci-fi film features elements of human evolution, artificial intelligence and a voyage to Jupiter tracing extraterrestrial life. Name this epic movie. We need to name the name. We need to tell the name of a movie, epic movie. Right answer is 2001: A Space Odyssey. Next, Vito Corleone is the Godfather. Is considered among the greatest film characters of all time. In this film by Francis Ford Coppola has been portrayed by. Answer is A. Marlon Brando and D. Robert De Niro. Next, come on chapter number 12, celebrating the arts. Here we need to tell the name of some festival, something what in films what they all are doing, that we need to fill, that we need to mark. Number first, which of these Portuguese film festival is symbolized by the Palme d'Or Golden Palm, awarded every year to the director of the best feature film? Right answer is Cannes. Second, the Berlin International Film Festival or Berlinale is one of the world's leading film festival. The highest prize awarded at the festival is the Golden. Right answer is Bear. Third number, Satyajit Ray won the Golden Lion Leonardo d'Oro Award to the best film at the Venice Film Festival for his film Aprajito in 1957. In 2001, an Indian director became the first woman to win this prize. She was. Right answer is Aparna Sen. This electronic dance music festival held in Goa is famous around the world for its music, entertainment and food. It is called the. Right answer is A. Sunburn. Number 5. Literary festivals are popular due to presence of well-known authors, book readings, panel discussion, workshops and book launches. Which of these cities play host to literary festivals? All are the right answer. A. Mumbai, B. Kochi, C. Jaipur and Bengaluru. The village of Dash in Punjab hosts the annual Rural Olympics along with a cultural feast featuring folk music, Bhangra and Gidda. Right answer is D. Kila Raipur. Number 7. Called one of the biggest shown on earth, the street carnival of this city is the largest in the world, attracting about 2 million people each day. Right answer is D. Rio de Janeiro. Number 8. Which of these is the world's largest annual fun fair held in Munich, Germany, attracting millions of people from around the world? Right answer is A. Oktoberfest. Next, turn your page everyone. Fill it immediately. If you find any confusion, you can ask to me in the live classes. Fill it right now and please don't commit any mistake. Whatever you are doing, do it right. And any confusion is there, you can send me a message also. Pick the correct option. The Dash Film Festival, founded in 1932, is the world's oldest film festival. Right answer is Venice. Next, B. The only Indian to win the Golden Palm at Cannes, then known as Grand Prix of the International Film Festival, was Dash for his film Neecha Nagar in 1946. Right answer is Chetan Anand. Hindi explanation I will do in the live classes, students. The International Film Festival of India was the first international film festival in Asia, held in Goa every year since 2004. The festival gives the Golden Dash Award to the director of the film Best Film. Right answer is Peacock. The Festival of Festivals, or the festival, showcases the music, dance, food, crafts, sports and customs of Nagaland. Right answer is Hornbill. Attended by nearly 500,000 young people, the music festival called Dash in New York 1969 is said to be the most famous event in the history of music. Woodstock. Right answer is Woodstock. The lake town of Dash in India hosts a large Sufi festival featuring Sufi poetry, recitals and qawwalis as part of the annual Urs festival to commemorate the Sufi Saint Muin ud Din Chishti. Right answer is Ajmer. बेटा इसमें शो नहीं हो रहा है. राइट आंसर इज अजमेर. नेक्स्ट, fill in the blanks using the word given in the bottom. कुछ words दिए हुए हैं bottom में, some words are given, you need to fill it by seeing that. A. The Dash Film Festival in the USA is named after a famous characters played by Robert Redford. रॉबर्ट रेडफोर्ड ने कुछ प्ले वगैरह किए हुए हैं, उनके कैरेक्टर्स रिलेटेड फिल्म फेस्टिवल है. राइट आंसर इज सनडांस. बी. A huge music festival called Moazin is held in. Moazin एक huge film festival है. कहाँ पर होता है? Rabat, Morocco. Bringing together African artists, जिसमें African artists साथ में आते हैं, international stars वगैरह आते हैं. C. Novi Sad in Serbia hosts a music festival called Exit at the Petrovaradin fortress beside the Danube. Right answer is Exit. Next, the annual Savai Gandharva Bhimsen Mahotsav in Pune is the biggest festival of classical music in India. इट वॉज स्टार्टेड बाय द लेट, किसने स्टार्ट करा था इसने, ये फेस्टिवल है सवाई गंधर्व भीमसेन महोत्सव किसने स्टार्ट किया था, पंडित भीमसेन जोशी ने, जिनके नेम पे रखा गया है। Originally a gathering of cattle breeders and small vendors, the Dash Fair in Rajasthan is a huge attraction due to its dances, music and competition. Right answer is Pushkar. Pushkar Fair के नाम से जाना जाता है। Students, I hope clear. You have filled each and everything. वीडियो को स्लो करके you can fill it, and otherwise if you find any confusion you can send me message, otherwise we can talk about it in the live classes. Best of luck, keep learning, stay home, stay safe.